Hello everyone, today I'll be introducing you to the new Caribou coding contest system. It recently had a rework, so now it's different from the last contest. So if you want to test out the system yourself, go to contest, and here it says new coding contest, and click here. Now there's 3 options, and if you don't already have an access code, watch my previous video to learn how to get your own access code. But if you don't have it right now, just go to guest. After you get in, just click I understand. Now, if you go to contests, it will give you a contest to choose from. Right now, there's only 3, and these 2 are from the previous contest. On contest day, there will be new contests that you can join. But for now, these are all the ones you can get access to. The junior one is the one we're going to use today. And there's going to be the rules. You can acknowledge the rules. And then when you go in, it'll give you instructions. If it's your first time using it, you should probably review the instructions. There's also extra information to help you navigate. And after you start the contest, even after you go in, there'll still be the instructions button where you can view it. And the extra information is also here. Today, we'll be learning about its grading system using the 7th question. So this page, it's split into 2 windows, one of them being the question and the other being where you can type your code. Now, there's 2 ways to do that. One of them is to just type here. I already have my code prepared, so I'm just going to paste it. And remember to select your language, so then they could grade it. And when you submit, it'll say pending, refresh for result, and when you refresh, it'll just tell you how many points you got. Now, if you don't get the code partially correct, so I'm just going to remove the part that calculates if it's over the day or not. Then, when you submit it and refresh for the result, it'll give you a score between 10 and 100. Now, if you make a syntax error, like I'm just going to remove the colon here, and when you submit, it's going to say syntax error, and when you click on it, it'll tell you what you did wrong, and you can fix it. Now for the second way you can do it. It's with file submission. When you click on it, you can choose a file, which for me, it's Q.7, and I can just upload that, and you can just submit, and then, yeah, I'll just give you the same thing. This is all for today. See you next time.